Hey butterflies, how are you guys doing? I'm coming to you today with another update on my garden. I finally got my BT so I can spray my plants as well as try to save my leaves. Cause these bugs is killing my stuff. I got all these flies. I don't know what it is. I'm trying to get rid of them. They're actually really getting on my nerves. So I'm going to give you guys a garden update, show you what I'm about to do with some of these plants because they're overcrowded. And that's just going to be that for this video. So let's get into it. So guys, we're going to get right into the garden. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button, hit the like, and leave comments. Questions. Look at that. Oh my God. Just in my plants. These bugs is irking. Oh, look how they eating up my leaves. Just bad. Bad, bad, bad. But I'm about to care for this plant. It rained really bad. Some of my leaves is browning. I gotta hurry up and get in and cut that out. Yeah, real bad. They just tearing my leaves up over here. I hate these bugs, especially when I ain't got no pants and long sleeves on. But look at my turnips. They are growing so beautifully. But as you can see, they're getting to them leaves too. So I'm about to mix this stuff up. My carrots are growing nice. Now, we got the onions over here. Right there. This poor pepper plant ain't coming back. As you can see, my cucumber plants didn't make it. So I had to put new ones in. So you can see they're coming up. One is right there. And one is right there. So I only put 2 plants in this time. And those are the straight 8 cucumbers. And my onions are growing beautifully over here. And so is my garlic. Look at this. Absolutely phenomenal. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cloves of garlic growing, and I'm not quite sure what this is. I'll get back to you guys and let you know. I'm not sure what it is. But yes, look at the tomatoes. They're coming in nice and beautiful. I want to see if they're going to turn red, so I'm not quite going to pick them yet because last time my mom picked them at this point. So from the looks of that one, it's going to turn red, so we shall see. And this right here is the sweet basil plant that got drowned last night. Like, this soil is uber wet because I had this on there, so it was holding water, so hopefully it dry out soon. As you can see, some basil is coming back though nicely. And here are my lettuce that got soaking wet. All the dirt is on them, as you can see. Just really kicked up all the dirt last night. And I'm getting seeds from my spinach that I'm definitely gonna keep. The bell pepper is still surviving even though it hasn't produced any fruit yet. And my kale leaves, blue kale, got 8. Look at this. Just all around. And then I made a mistake of spraying the neem oil on it during the daytime. so the sun kind of crisp out the leaves. So I guess we're starting over. Yep. So here is my hot pepper plant. That's growing really, really, really good. And then back here you have kale. I mean, what is that? The Swiss chard. My fault. But you see how they eating my leaves. Yep. And here we have our beautiful green beans that I had to make these little shafts for out of kebab sticks. Just for now until I get something. But you can see they budding. See they got buds all down in there. Yeah. So, over here I got my collard greens. Yeah, my collard greens over here. And this is another tomato plant right here that's looking so beautiful. And I'm going to show you how I separate these and put them in different pots. And back here is my beautiful jalapeno. Looking so good, so good. It's growing great. So I can make me some poppers. I can add it to my salad. This is more spinach. I'm trying to get as many greens that I can eat. You know, so hopefully this will wash off really good and I don't kill it. This was another hot pepper plant. Remember I said I didn't know what that was? So I found out it was a hot pepper plant. And we have our chamomile over here, which yet has not produced flowers. I'm not quite sure. And I had ants. See all these ants? I gotta figure out how to get rid of these ants. They're all in my pots. It's just like horrible. But yeah. I'm waiting for it to flower. You see these little white see these little white flowers on there. Look like daisies right in there. That's what it's supposed to look like once it starts sprouting. So hopefully before the summer's over, we get some of that. But got my peppermint and my lemon balm doing beautifully, as you can see. Over here is my lemon balm that smells so beautiful and fully bloomed. If you go back and look when I first started, this pot was probably like half full. And we have the peppermint over here that's growing so amazing. You take a look down in there, you can see how big it's gotten. I don't do much to it, like prune it. I come out, I plug a piece off of my teas, cold and hot. And as you can see, it's flowering. So I'll be able to get seeds soon. Yep. And once I get enough seeds and enough packages, I'll be selling them on my website. I'll let you know what the website is going to be. Over here, my poor lavender plant is barely holding on. So I'm going to do a video about how to save it, because as of yet I don't know. Over here we got our giant Marconis, and as you can see, they are flowering beautifully. See that bud? Yeah, story of my life. Yeah, but it is flowering amazing. You can see all the little flowers on it. Some fell off from the harsh rain, as you can see. Okay, over here is the second cabbage. It's starting to form a ball, so you know, I'm gonna try to find a 5-pound bucket or something. I'm gonna go to the dollar store. I'm gonna do a video on that too, so I can repot it, and hopefully this will be the one cabbage that I could eat. Cause this one over here seems like it's about a done. You know, that stuff took too long to come. Over here we have our potato plant that I have to get some string and tie up. So, you know, I planted these in May. They done flowered, and flowers done fell off. But I'm just gonna let it keep, you know, going until most of the leaves die back. The branches are pretty heavy, I guess, from the rain, so they're falling all over the place. And this is my second one over here. It's just growing pretty good. I can't wait to depot them. You don't know what plants these are. My mom used to grow. I think that was a willow plant that never came back. But yeah, over here is my other tomato plant, which somehow fell. So now all the roots are exposed, which I'm not going to too much worry about it, because the pot is, you can see, overcrowded, way too overcrowded, too many seeds in one pot. So like I said, I'm going to go to the dollar store, you know, and get a pot, get something to repot most of these things, especially these tomatoes, because I have a lot of tomatoes. So I'm just picking the little yellow leaves off at the bottom. So yeah, guys, this is the garden, and I'm gonna do a video on what I pot next. Once I get some of these pots empty. As you can see, I don't have as much space. I have a neighbor on that side of me and a neighbor on this side of me, and this is pretty much my yard. So I don't want to overcrowd it where you can't walk out here and relax. So yeah, I'm just gonna pot and repot different stuff. So I guess the potatoes will be the first one, maybe the collard greens. I don't know how much chard I could get off of this, but I'm gonna thin it out. I'm gonna get a couple more pots and see. Okay, and I'm gonna show you guys the collard greens I have inside that I didn't want to get bit up and ate up. But yeah, you see this? See all them bugs? You see that? I'm not sure because I can't see if you getting it. Yeah, so I didn't want them to get eaten up like those ones. I made a mistake and broke this one yesterday trying to kill a horsefly. But yeah, so these are my other collards. So I'm gonna have more than enough. As you can see, they're kind of leggy. So what I'm gonna do is repot them and these little white pots for now. So I figure out what I'm gonna do. And I bought back my aloe plants. They were all flat like this. They were all flat like this one. See how flat that is? That don't have like no meat in the inside. But it does a little bit down here. But the whole plant is really like flat. And I'm gonna cut it off. It's taking energy and not producing anything. But yeah, see, this one is still kind of flat too. So I think I'm gonna just cut all the other ones. See, this one got meat. This one came back really, really good. So did this one, and so did this one. Yep, this one came back really good. And the ones in the middle are super meaty. So what I do is let them get their own water when they want. I don't think I was watering it enough. So that was the problem with that. And these are the green onions that I repotted that I bought from the farmer's market. I just used this one the other day in my eggs and it tasted so freaking amazing. So if you go back in my videos, I think you'll be able to see it because I was talking about how this kale, chard, wanted to grow after I planted these in there. So I kind of just let them stay. And this needs some water. So dry. So yeah. Put some water in there. So yeah, and I'll probably use this tonight for dinner on a salad or something. So yeah, that's my plants. And over here is my other plant. Somebody broke this one going in and out the window. See, I gotta add more water. It sucks it up as it needs it on its own. And yeah, this is what's going on. I'm gonna show you guys how I use this for my hair and to put inside my butter. So, yep. I'm gonna make videos about that too, guys. So far, I just really been into my gardening and just, relaxing in the morning. I can sit right there, add a pillow, drink my coffee, and just look at the beauty of my garden, and all the things that I can eat off of it. That salad was amazing, by the way, that I cut off last week. And as you can see, it's growing back already out there. It's already got leaves. See that? And you can see where I cut it off too. But it's already producing leaves already, so I'm definitely gonna get a bigger pot and make more salad because my mom likes salad too, and that particular cut only fed me, so I'm gonna make more. But thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll keep you guys updated. I'm also going to show you how I spray the plants down with the BT. I'm also going to make a video about that. So you guys stay prosperous, be lovely, and always accomplish your dreams. See you later.